Hey guys, so we made it to this beautiful little town of Gatlinburg. We are starting our day down on the very end. We're gonna be having some breakfast right over there at the Crocketts breakfast camp. It's a very popular place because we are on an hour and 20-minute wait. So we're just gonna kind of hang out and walk around. We're actually trying to find a bar so we can maybe have a mimosa or two while we're waiting. But we're just gonna pretty much walk the entire day and bring you guys along for the ride. So I hope this place is worth the wait. We finally have our table called, so we're getting ready to go in and have some amazing breakfast. While we were waiting, we found this cute little dive bar down the street and had a couple of mimosas. But we thought we'd have like a nice heavy country breakfast and then just kind of walk all day, maybe have just a light little snack for lunch, and then a really amazing dinner here in this adorable town of Gatlinburg. They're also famous for their giant cinnamon rolls. But here are the giant cinnamon rolls, and they come with the icing on the side. But it smells so good in here. Check it out. This restaurant is so adorable. We already looked at the menu, so we know what we're gonna get. But it's called Crocketts Breakfast Camp. Check it out. It's like this kind of log cabin inspired like breakfast place. It's just really, really neat. We have been waiting for an hour and 20 minutes. And I just checked in and she said that our table is ready now. I think they're just getting it cleaned off, but we're just hanging out inside waiting. But look at that, they have an actual fire. This place is so cool.
Hey everybody, here we are at Crocketts Breakfast Camp. This place is extremely rustic, very themed, and very, very cool. And everything smells amazing here. One of the coolest things about this place is that the menu is basically in the form of a newspaper. So you can take it with you. As we did, we actually took it with us for a while because we had to wait quite a bit for our table. But it seems like it's going to be totally worth it based on the menu and based on the amazing smells. Hey,
okay, thank you. Check out this intensive menu.
It's a lot.
Yeah, it is. And we purposely had a very light dinner last night, and we are starving, so we're gonna just have a really, really nice, hearty country breakfast, and then spend the day walking it off.
Biscuits, all the way.
And we did have biscuits, and they were glorious. Oh, look, pumpkin-themed first responders. And yes, we know it's practically spring of 2019, and we're just now posting some of our adventures from last fall. It's only because we had to spend like 5 months walking off the biscuits, y'all. So I'm sure you're noticing Gatlinburg is teeming with amusingly cheesy tourist attractions. It's kind of like Kissimmee in the mountains. We walked the main drag, and all the while we kept running into these wonderful fall decorations. They're really into autumn in Tennessee, and they're clearly into their biscuits and their cheesiness, and clearly into the moonshine because it's probably the only way to cut through all the carbs. And here we go down the rabbit hole. By the way, carbs are the main reason why you're not seeing a lot of me and Jason in this footage. We were feeling a little unglamorous and a lot bloated by food and alcohol by the end of our epic road trip. But enough about weight gain. Here's some bluegrass. Wow, it's really fun to listen to bluegrass and stare at mountainous panoramas after drinking like 20 samples of moonshine. By the way, if you like your alcohol sweet and strong like we do, you'll love the apple pie flavor. Since Gatlinburg is nestled in between all these mountains, there are several skylifts to carry your moonshine and biscuit-laden selves up towards the heavens. But we didn't go on this particular one, but we did take a very memorable trip up to the top of a mountain, and we will be posting that video very soon. But, we might post something else first, like, something we did last week, just to mess with you. Ah, that is one scary fake raptor from yet another cheesy tourist attraction. Look, it's janky Harry Potter, and janky Dobby, and janky mini King Kong. Who you calling janky? Sorry, sir, it's the moonshine talking. Well, despite all the day drinking, we somehow made it down to the end of the strip, just in time for Jason to feed some aggressively friendly pigeons.
Ladies and gentlemen, the pigeons of Tennessee are basically puppies.
Oh my God, this is so cool.
Oh my God. You hold food in your hand and they will basically just eat literally out of your hand while sitting in it.
Oh. Here, I'm going to do this. Squat.
Okay.
And now this. Here we go. All right. Come on. Here,
yeah, come on.
This way. Look. Up here. Come on. Up here.
Come on, pigeons.
Come on.
Go, pigeons.
Up here. Here we go.
Yay.
Look at this.
You are Birdman.
And to make things even more perfect for Birdman and Biscuit Boy, our afternoon was capped off by a near double rainbow. Anyway, now we transition to one of those super classy cinematic shots of flowers and bridges and beautiful stuff, just to prove that we don't spend all of our time eating unhealthy food and drinking booze. Dang, that's pretty. Now I really want a biscuit.
Leave a comment to say hi. If you like us, please subscribe. And if you don't, our little fluffy dog will attack you.